Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, SHIB, Avalanche in that order. First, we're going to start on the Bitcoin daily chart. Each candle represents one day. Guys, and if you guys don't know, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor, everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. If you go to TradingView and you go to Indicator Templates and you go to MAEXP Ribbon, that's the chart we're currently looking at right now. And we talked about this general area in my last video, getting our rejection point. Now, I didn't do a video yesterday, guys. Like I always say, if you look at my videos, they're crystal balls because we predict the future here, right? So if I do a video and I miss a day, you guys can watch that video. Make sure you sub, hit the bell, hit the all. This is a new channel. So, you guys get my targets well in advance, and we nail them every time. And I could give you a good example even right here for ETH, for example, right? We hit our top side target. I talked about this area anywhere from 2836 to 2811 when we were already up here. Of course, you know about the Bitcoin chart. We talked about this area right here, 42, 278, where I told you I was taking profits here. And I made that very clear in my video, guys. But we also talked about coming down, getting rejected in this area on Ethereum, and coming down and bouncing in this area. And I'll just play a quick clip of that real quick, guys, just to give you guys an example. Pull back into this general area, maybe anywhere. I would look for my first area right around this 2836 to 2800 area. If that gets a higher. Okay, so anywhere in that area, guys, we had our pullback. Where is it? I had 28.36 to 28.11, and we got down to, it looks like 28.19 in this general range. I was looking for some kind of bounce in that range off of our trend. You can see it right here. Also, we have the point of control. So I did my point of control right here, and I'll delete this for you guys so you guys can see this better. Okay. I'll just go ahead and we'll do another one real quick for you guys. This is on Ethereum, and we're going to go back to Bitcoin in a second, guys. I just want to show you this real quick. Point of control from here to here. Boom, and you see it right there. Look where we got the bounce. Right basically at the point of control. We got that bounce there, and we nailed our target again, just like we did on Bitcoin right here. Now, on Bitcoin, we're going to go back to this chart here, right? We're still looking okay on the daily, guys. I don't like the way this candle's set up, but we're still above all of our moving averages. The 20's still moving up. So let's see what we have on the indicators here. Any negative things? Well, not yet. Not on the RSI. The MACD will continue to cross as long as we're above 40,800 on the daily. So on a daily close, each candle represents a day. Now, the only thing I'm seeing that I don't like is this 12-hour chart. You can see on the 12-hour, we just got some bearish divergence here, but it's not much. It's not anything really to be concerned about just yet. The MACD, of course, will continue to cross as long as we're under 41,452 area. So what do we got? Well, let's go to the VWAP on a shorter time frame. So what did I do here? No, we want to delete that. We're going to go to the VWAP, anchor VWAP. We're going to go from the top. So this is where we're at. Look, guys, look where we're getting rejected. And if you guys don't know, you go to the anchor VWAP. It's this little tool right here. It has like a line with two candles in it. You guys can go over here and find it right up here, right here in this general area. Okay, all the way at the bottom, anchored VWAP. Okay, you can click on it on the top. Now, what I can do here is I can click on it again, okay? And then I could go ahead and click on it here, pull up the settings if it pulls it up, and I could go to high because that was the low. Let's go to high. There's the high and there's the low. So now I got two areas of concern that I can look at. You can see where we got rejected here, and now we could look for even a high up here at near this 42 mark, 41,986. So that's just an anchor VWAP tool you guys can use. I'm not liking this right now. Let's see, anything on the 4 hour, anything positive? Well, we could shape up for a little 4-hour bullish divergence. It's kind of hidden right here right now, but that could also fail, which it looks like it might. So yeah, our target to the upside still remains the same. This is my Coinbase chart, guys. I'm going to show you my Coinbase chart real quick because we're going to just go over this real fast. You can see my trends, guys. Look how good these trends have all worked for us. Okay, we had this trend break into the upside, or we hold this trend. Boom, boom, boom. Broke again. Then we had this break, boom, this break, and then we had this longer trend we were talking about. But this is the one. This is the one that I really did some work on lately. This is the Binance chart, and you guys can see it here. Look, I drew this little line right here for the breakdown to the upside. Then we drew this red line for the break up to the upside, hitting our target perfect once here, then coming back down, bouncing off the bottom of my trend, coming back up, hitting the target again perfect. Look at this. Boom. Okay. And now we're bouncing off my other target on Binance, which was 40,966. I mean, guys, we're trading this. Look at this. This was the day before. Look at where we hit the target right in anywhere from 40,300 to 39. Guys, we're nailing these targets. It's unbelievable what we're doing. So what are we seeing now? Well, let's see if we can get a bounce here and get above this 600 area. If we can, I still want to see some kind of higher term time frame above this 45,830 area. Really would like to see that on a higher term time frame. Anywhere from a 6 to a 12 would even do it for even a 4-hour at this point. I think if we get something like that, we could push up to this 22 or this 200 day, which is coming at a 48. Clear that, get a higher term time frame, and then hit our higher targets up here, guys. You guys can pause the video and see it, but I'm looking at this 57 to 58 area. Excuse me. So yeah, but we're still trading above the 50-day moving average, which is right here, this purple line, which is good. So we're going to move on to Ethereum. Let's see if we keep this bounce area going in this box here. We're trading in this range. I'll draw this up here real quick for you guys. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. That was the range. So let's see if that range holds up. We got an anchor VWAP holding this up right here. Let's go ahead and drop one at the top just for the heck of it. Boom. Well, that doesn't really help. So let's make it low. Let's make it low. Come on. Give me the setting. All right. Let's make it low. Where are we on the low? Okay, so we're right here on the low. Okay, so I already had that. All right, so let's go to our chart and see what we're looking at. So in this range, so we want to break this 29.13. I even have it in this red box right here. But no, I really want to see, you know what? No, take that back, guys. I want to see this range right here, 29.22, higher term time frame, close above there. And let's see if we can hold this area that I have in this yellow box here, anywhere from 28.14 to 28.36. All right. So that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Matic, guys, look how this is guys, you got to get, come on, man. If you're not subbed, I don't know what you're waiting for. I did a video here, hit our targets here. Look at this, 150. I had 155. Okay, what was the high? I mean, we nailed it. Then we come back down after I tell you guys we're going to get the rejection. After we hit off my bottom target off the 140, I mean, literally 1419, we hit it to the decimal. I mean, guys, we're hitting these things to the decimal. Okay, then we get these bounces. We're making these moves. I still want to see a higher term time frame closing out of this bigger trend right here. What happened? We came out of it, closed, and then the second candle. I always talk about this, guys. If you guys watch my channel, the second candle, we want to see it hold up. It didn't hold up. It failed. It failed disgustingly, and now looks like we're seeing a lower low. So, what can we see for a bounce area? Well, let's do this. Let's draw a little fib here. Let's see where we can catch a bounce. Pretty much, well, not in our same area, but pretty close. I want to see a bounce around this 41. I want to see this 141 hold up, or even this 142 would be nice. But the 141 to 140 area, I want to see that hold. If not, then yeah, we could be looking at the 137 to even this 135 area. Okay. To the upside, let's break the trend. Let's get above the 149.6, get some kind of higher time frame, get a close, get two dailies coming out of there, and then we can push up to these targets, the 163 and the 170, and then my target up here at the 202 and the 201. All right. Let's see. So far the Ethereum, is that the bounce we're still doing? Let's look on the daily. It's still holding. Let's see if that holds up. Cardano, come on, guys. Look at this, man. I mean, come on. Look what we did here. Look, you know what? I'm gonna go to my video. This was my last video. Let's just play this and see if we can find this. Let's see. Let's just look at some of my targets. Let's find Cardano.
So that's how we're doing it. Okay, so now we're gonna.
I went back to
bounce right off my one.
Oh, look at this. Hold on, time out, guys. Time out. Look at this. We didn't get there yet. We got there. We got there. Look, we got up to this mark. So we came out of this pattern, got up to my mark, hit our targets perfect, came back down, got rejected. You don't see this. This is my last video. You don't see the candle. Look at this. I'm going to show you Matic real quick. Look what we did. Perfect. Look, zoom in. Look at this. Boom, hit our target. Boom, got rejected. Guys, I can't make this up. 2 days ago, this video. All right, let's go ahead and find Cardano. Let's look at Cardano. What do we got? What is this? What are we looking? Still looking at Matic? Still looking at Matic? Where's my Cardano? Where's Cardano? Where is it? Where is it? Come on. What is this? Cardano. Oh, so I didn't even draw it up yet, did I? Let's look.
Make sure you show me some love. Sub to my channel.
Let's see. What do we do? What do we do here?
What we have is our 821. I mean, come on, guys.
Look, I'm calling it out from the 2 days before. Ready? Watch. What do we do?
This could be a nice trade, guys. We talk about
this could be a nice trade. What do we do here?
Let's see. What do we have? I think we have some kind of
look at this
to 93. But there could be a little fight in this 91, 92 area.
Look at my fib. Look at my fib. 91, 92.
But there could be a little fight in this 91, 92 area.
That was. I mean, guys, come on, dude. You guys get my point. I could go on and on and on. Look at this. Boom! Right at the right rejection point, and now we're getting rejection at the 88.3 mark as we currently speak, live on the chart. I mean, guys, you can't play this any better than what we're playing it. How much time do I have? Cardano. I mean, so let's see if we can get some kind of higher term time frame above this 88.83. And then work our way back up to this 92. And then my next target would be this 93 finally, if we can hit this and get some kind of higher term time frame above there. And then we'll worry about this 95 area. And then my main target up here is this 101. You could see it right here. Getting rejected at that 101 would be my main target for this trade here. To the downside, if we can't get past this 88.83, I'd be looking back down around this. You know what? Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do it right, guys. Let's do it right. At high, low, low. Okay, so this was the low. Let's do this right. Let's do this right. I mean, same area. It's the same area. We can talk about decimals, but yeah, if this closes down, then I'll be looking at this 83.5 area. All right. Solana. What? Come, guys, are you serious? What do we have here? What did I say? My target would be this 50-day moving average, and it would be coming in right around that 95 area, and that's exactly what we hit. Guys, I mean, guys, this is what we do every day. Make sure you guys sub, hit the bell, hit the all, because guys, if I don't make a video, okay, and I miss a day, you guys have the crystal ball. If you look at my look, what are my thumbnails? You can see my thumbnails. Let's go to my thumbnails real quick. Let's go to my channel. Let's go to videos real quick. Let's go to video. Look at these thumbnails. Crystal balls. Crystal balls. Okay, we're doing it here. We're doing it here. What are we on? Solana. Okay, so on Solana, let's see. What do we got here? Boom. Let's see. What do we got? Okay, 14 minutes. All right. Listen, here's the deal, guys. Once I get to 1,000 subs, I will be going live, and we're just gonna have some fun and chart whatever you guys want to chart. I don't even care. Let's see high. Let's see the low. We're gonna take this low right here. So yeah, let's see if we can get back above this 89 area, 89.97, or let's just say 90 even, or 89. Let's just say 89.90. If we can get some kind of higher term time frame, get a candle closing above this 95, breaking out of this smaller trend right here, yeah, then we could push up to this 105, 106 is my main target for this area right here. And let's see if that plays out. You guys can see it right here, 104 to 106. Okay. And then if this breaks down, I would be looking for this 84, 83 area to hold up. Okay. And if that comes down, then yeah, I'd be looking at the 80. All right. So that's for Solano. Shib Army, Shib Nation, still killing it. Look at this. We talked about it. Wicking. Look, guys, are you kidding me? Look at this. Look at this, guys. We hit our target. Perfect. Perfect. Boom. Boom. We had 25.65. What was it? 25.60. We were a 0.5. I mean, for that, guys, on this, come on, man. All right, this is what we're doing here. Then I talked about getting rejection. And guys, let me tell you something. I actually, what did I do here? I made a trade here. I did make a trade here. Where did I end up trading? I ended up getting, when we got rejected here, I ended up selling out right here. Once this 50-day didn't hold up, which was around 25.12. Yeah, I did do that. I did do that. Huh? Yeah, that was a late night trade. That was an alarm trade, guys. Anyways, we got our rejection. How much time do I have? 16 minutes. We got our rejection. Then once we came down at the 50 here, it was pretty much game over for me. On a shorter term time frame, you can see we got rejected coming down right here. Boom, that was it. Actually, it was this right here. Actually, I had the area right here on the 4 hour. What did I have? Boom, right here. I must have been trading the 15. What was I doing here, guys? I know I took this trade and I got out of it in the 25, but what made me do that? Oh, okay. It was the candle pattern right here. Is this candle right here? And then watching this fail right here. So is this candle on the 15-minute I didn't like? All right. I remember what it was. So what are we looking at to the downside, guys? Let's see, how much time do we have left? We only got a couple minutes, so I got to get this thing going. What do we have? Well, we got rejected. We didn't hold above our trend. I still want to see a higher term time frame closing above this area, this 25 to 26 area. And I don't want to see us closing under 22.50 on a higher time frame, a daily, because if not, we'll be back in this range. So as long as that holds up, yeah, I would be looking for this to push back up. Let's see if we can get a fib from here. Boom, boom, this low right here. Take it, and we'll go to the upside. Actually, yeah. I mean, right here, anywhere from that 22.60, but I like the 22.50 better. And to the upside, let's just break this previous high that was coming in at 24. Let's just say 24.50 right here. All right. Avalanche. Once again, we killed it. Well, we got our rejection. I was hoping this would hold up. We always talk about the second candle in this pattern. We had a beautiful pattern here. We had a nice upside target, but we got rejected here around my rejection zone. I had this 88 here. We actually peaked above my 90. We got to 92. So we were just a little bit off on that one. But I mean, all of these were spot on. The 90 we didn't get. But now let's see we want to see this 81 hold up. We want to see this. We had the death cross. We want to see this 50 closing back above this 200 for a golden cross. I'm sorry, guys. I was just thinking. I want to see this 80 hold up. If the 80 holds up, then yeah, I just want to see higher term time frame. I don't care what it is. Back-to-back dailies holding this trend with some volume, and then a breakout above this 90 to 92 area and get back above 100. anywhere from 95 to 100. If we can do that, then I would be looking at these higher term time frames. All right.